In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix Google Chrome blank widescreen issue on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click on your Google Chrome desktop icon, select Properties, click on the compatibility. Make sure that run this program in compatibility mode 4. This is unchecked. If this is checked like this, simply uncheck it. You can also uncheck these options. Click on apply and click on OK. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Next method is you have to go to the Windows search bar and type Chrome to open your Google Chrome browser. Then you have to click on the three dots right here in the top right corner. Then you have to click on extensions, manage extensions. Make sure that you are going to disable any unnecessary extensions. If these are enabled like this, just simply switch the button off to disable it. Okay? You can also remove this if you are not using these extensions. Okay? Completely remove this. Now, click again on the three dots, and here you have to click on the settings, the one with the gear-like symbol. Click on privacy and security, and you'll find delete browsing data. Click on that. Go to the advanced, time range, change that to all time. Make sure that the cached and the cookies and other site data are selected. Also, you can select this one, but not passwords or autofill. If you don't want to delete your saved password, simply click on delete data. Then you have to go back to the options on the left pane and click on System. You'll find your graphics acceleration when available or hardware acceleration. If this is switched on, just simply switch the button off. Then click on the Reset Settings option on the left pane, restore settings to the original defaults, and simply click on the Reset Settings button, close your Chrome browser, and then open it again. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.